What our pinpoint test today is going to be is a cylinder leak down. You might be wondering, what the hell is that? So what we're going to do is we're going to pull the spark plug, we're going to raise the cylinder to top dead center compression, which means that the piston is all the way at the top, both valves are closed, so this way the cylinder is completely sealed. We're going to introduce some shop air into it using a manifold with 2 gauges, and that's going to tell us if there's any loss of air going into the cylinder. What loss of compression or loss of volume into the cylinder is indicative of is that's gonna cause a engine misfire. So if the vehicle can't compress and hold the air properly in the combustion chamber, that's gonna result with an engine miss. So with the pinpoint test we're gonna do today, we're gonna be able to determine if it's a valve problem. If it is a valve problem, which one of the valves? Is it a ring problem, a piston ring problem, or is this a blown head gasket or a cracked block? So we're gonna be able to determine that just by running this one test.